Over the last 4 billion years, since life on Earth began, humans have evolved into the form we have today. The DNA inside our bodies contains the life history we have inherited from our ancestors millions of years ago. DNA, as well as RNA, is an essential element for evolution.
Hello, everyone! Did you know that genes are made from a nutrient called nucleic acid? Today, I've asked the professor to tell us all about it. Professor, can you tell us about nucleic acids?
Yes, let's talk about nucleic acids in nutrition.
My grandma always says, don't forget, you are what you eat.
She's quite right. By taking in all the nutrients our body needs through food, we make sure our body's internal processes don't get upset and make us ill.
That's why people say we should eat things that are good for us.
Actually, recently the Japanese diet is becoming similar to that of America and Europe, and a lot of illnesses are on the rise. So we need to rethink our diet to improve our health again.
Preventing our diet from becoming westernized.
This is where the Japanese diet comes in. It turns out that foods used in traditional Japanese cuisine like seafood, beans, and mushrooms are ideal for a macrobiotic diet. Japanese food is currently in the spotlight around the world.
Ooh, those look yummy!
The nutrients in these Japanese foods are nucleic acids, which are the 7th essential nutrient for health.
Professor, why do we need nucleic acids?
The human body is equipped with the ability to cure diseases, and nucleic acids play an important role. They improve the body's immunity. In other words, they help the body's natural healing process by turning old cells into new cells.
That's why we should eat foods with nucleic acids.
That's right. These days, people's diets tend to lack nucleic acids. Supplementing the nutrients you need is an excellent idea for keeping good health. The nutrient which forms the foundation of our health is nucleic acid.
What exactly are nucleic acids?
If you look at the human body with a microscope, you can see tiny cells. An adult body is made up of around 60 trillion cells.
That's a lot!
All of these cells contain nucleic acids. Look, there's some.
Where?
DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, exists in the nucleus of cells. In and around the nucleus there is RNA, ribonucleic acid. Nucleic acid is the collective term for DNA and RNA. And inside the double helix of our DNA are our genes. Genes contain detailed information about how and when to build proteins, and proteins are made based on these instructions.
So our bodies are made up of proteins?
That's right. Our muscles, bones, skin, blood vessels and blood, and even our hormones and enzymes are all made from proteins. In other words, everything in our entire body is made from DNA.
Is it only us humans that have genes?
No. All living things have DNA blueprints. Think of a cell's nucleus as a library. The books in that library are DNA. And each word written in those books is a gene. DNA is made up of 4 components called bases, and these bases are the letters in the books.
So, what's RNA then?
If we think of DNA as a blueprint, RNA is the workers. There are several types of RNA. Messenger RNA copies the blueprints for the DNA's genes, like a photocopier. Transfer RNA is the truck which delivers amino acids. And ribosomal RNA is the factory where the amino acids are joined together to make proteins. Recent studies have discovered another role of RNA. Some RNA doesn't have instructions for making proteins. Rather, it helps proteins in genes to do their jobs, or stops them from working too much.
RNA is amazing!
私たちの体の細胞は常に細胞分裂によって新しく生まれ変わっています。いわゆる細胞の新陳代謝です。細胞が2つに分裂するとき、DNA は複製されて新しい細胞に引き継がれます。DNA は細胞から細胞へ、さらに親から子へと受け継がれていくのです。体の中にしっかり核酸を蓄えることが新陳代謝を促進する上で必要です。
Besides helping metabolism, what else do nucleic acids do?
Well, sometimes DNA gets damaged and bad cells are created.
Uh-oh!
DNA gets damaged mainly by the active oxygen that damages genes or cells. Cigarettes, UV rays, exhaust gases, stress, or an unbalanced diet cause a lot of active oxygen to appear in the body. The oxidative power of active oxygen is very strong, and if it is generated too much in our body, it can oxidize things which should not be oxidized. This can cause illnesses like cancer or other lifestyle diseases, dermatitis, or premature aging.
Active oxygen seems so scary!
Don't be scared. The human body contains an inbuilt program for protecting its genes. Nucleic acids are good at preventing oxidation. They fight active oxygen, repair damaged genes, and if they can't repair them, they make the bad cells destroy themselves through a process called apoptosis.
You can do it! Go, nucleic acid!
Nucleic acids also have the important job of stabilizing the immune system. This immune system helps the body to fight off only the things that are bad for us.
免疫細胞は細菌やウイルスなどの外から侵入してきた病原体、これらが感染した細胞、がん細胞などを除去してくれる頼もしい味方です。したがって免疫のシステムが乱れると感染症にかかりやすくなったり、アレルギーやがん、さらに関節リウマチなどの自己免疫疾患が起きやすくなります。免疫のバランスを整えることはとても大切です。
Nucleic acids give power to our immune cells and strengthen the immunity we already possess.
Nucleic acids are awesome! Is it possible that nucleic acids run out?
That's a good question. Let me explain. Nucleic acids are made in the liver, which is like the body's chemical factory. This process is called de novo synthesis. Also, the nucleic acids we get from food are reused in the body through a process called salvage synthesis. Nucleic acids are made through these two processes.
So we don't need to worry then.
As we grow older, though, the liver's functions become weaker, and de novo synthesis also slows down after peaking at the age of 20. This means that our body will have less and less nucleic acids, our metabolism cannot work smoothly, and our ability to repair damaged DNA weakens. This is why it's important to take in nucleic acids through food.
How are the nucleic acids from food used in the body?
When they reach the bowel, enzymes break them down and they are absorbed. Then, some of them go to the large intestine to increase the number of good bacterium called bifidus and keep the bowel in a healthy condition. Others are absorbed in the small intestine and processed in the liver, are sent to cells around the body through the bloodstream, and are used for cell metabolism or protein synthesis.
So we should intake a lot of nucleic acids from food.
That's right. A food that contains a great amount of nucleic acids with a good balance is soft salmon roe. Soft salmon roe has twice the amount of nucleic acids as bakery yeast or soft pufferfish roe, and 10 times as much as soybeans. Also, soft salmon roe has many nutrient components, such as protamine, that is made up of an amino acid called arginine, and polyamine, which is known as a rejuvenator.
So soft salmon roe is the best source.
Yes, we can enjoy delicious and healthy meals by using a good combination of nucleic acid-rich ingredients. Also, soluble nucleic acids are good because they are easier to absorb. Plus, if you take them along with the other nutrients needed to make cells, such as collagen, mucopolysaccharides, vitamins, and minerals, your body will surely thank you.
Now I understand. Thank you very much. I'm going to eat lots of nucleic acids from now on.
Prevent disease rather than fixing it. By understanding your body's genes and DNA, you can change your health and lifestyle. So be sure to eat plenty of the nutrients your body needs and protect your health yourself.